Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, December 9th, 2016. The U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, those of you who watch my posts on StockTwits and Twitter probably think I'm on vacation. Uh, I'm not on vacation, I'm trading. In fact, we had a very good day today. Uh, the problem is I use three platforms to trade with. One of those is an old version of TradeStation, and it has a great advantage to me because I get better charts with that for posting, and I also can post my buy signals. And StockTwits will not let me post my charts if I do not post my buy signals ahead of time. And the only software I have that'll do that is my old TradeStation. Well, my old TradeStation has been developing some corruptions and difficulties in the last couple of weeks, and yesterday it finally just puked out on me. So I'm having to reconfigure that. It takes me 2 days to reconfigure it. Today was the first day, Monday will be the second day. So until then, I got to work off of uh, two of my other platforms, multi-charts and TradeStation 9.5. And I'm showing you charts on 9.5 today, and I did my trading with that. It's very close to the old TradeStation. So, everything is kosher, but I think as I go through this, you'll see I do not have the nice charts that I get on that older TradeStation. You're looking at a 5-minute bar chart of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Hey, the Trump rally continues in with great fervor. The Dow gained 142 points today. We closed at 19,756. So we're less than 250 points from hitting 20,000 in the Dow. Unbelievable. And this rally really helped us today. We were negative yesterday on our open trade, and I was moaning and groaning about being boring and nothing was happening. Well, that negative, those negative positions, we managed to get out of those positions with $4,600 in profits. Yeah, that's pretty good. We closed out 4,600. We got into 11 new positions today. 4 are positive, 7 are negative. That's a terrible ratio, but because our positives are so much better, we're holding positive over $12,000. So that looks really good. Close out 4,500, carry over $12,000 in open trade over the weekend. So this really looks good, and this Trump rally is for real, folks. We're going to see some big profits coming in here. Well, we did see big profits today. All right, I'll show you some charts. You'll notice that these charts aren't as good as what I normally show you, but I think you'll get the idea. I'll show you what as I say, we had 7 losers today, so I'm going to show you one of those losers so you know why we're not up over around 30,000 today, okay? This first one, this is Labu, Labu. That's the biotech bear. But no, it's a biotech bull, excuse me. It's a biotech bull, and so Donald Trump's been talking about lowering drug prices. And boy, the biotech industry does not like to hear that. So we ended up buying basically the high tick a day today, and it sold off, and we're negative $5,000 in Labu. That is not good. But we had some spectacular trades in gold that offset that. And bear with me here, I'm working with a little newer. Just a minute, I don't want to show you that one yet. Okay. This is gold, JDST. This is leveraged gold, and we bought this right out of the gate this morning. It just kept going. You can see that thing just screamed. And we took we haven't taken it yet, but we're holding $5,000, over $5,000 in open trade in JDST. And we also trade dust, which is, I gotta get the Dow out of here. Hang with me. I haven't done this with this thing. I don't like it nearly as well as my old program. But okay, here's dust, and that's gold mining, but it does the same thing as JDST. And we bought that right out of the gate, and that also closed over $5,000 in profit. So we're doing real well there in gold mining too. And by the way, both these gold stocks, we had a terrible trade back here 4 days ago in both those, and we pretty much have made it up now with these two good trades in JDST and dust. So that's real good. Now I'll show you the one though that just was the screamer, and I gotta get JDST out of the way here. Alright, this was InvenSense. And was this a big surprise? This is just out of the blue. Don't know. There must have been some news. I don't know what the news is. You see this huge spike up here. We had to jump in this. You can see here, this is where's the buy point right here. And we didn't get filled to up here. But even with that bad fill, we're still holding over $12,000 in InvenSense. So that really spiked us up. You know, as I say, we had 4 wins, 7 losses, but because of InvenSense, we're still holding over $12,000 in open trade equity over the weekend. So I'm really excited about this Trump rally. I just think this is spectacular. We're going to be looking at some really big profits here in the future. Anyway, Trader Bob's happy. You guys have a fantastic weekend. I just want to mention we're going to be on this kind of crappy charts again on Monday, but I should be back with everything as usual by Tuesday, and I'll be posting on Tuesday also. Anyway, have a great weekend. I'm going to work on my computers over the weekend, and I will be back here online on Monday.